Hey there, code wizards. Are you tired of your classes acting like rebellious teenagers, refusing to share their traits? Well, today we are going to teach them some family values with inheritance. And for those drama queens in your code love to act differently in the same scene. Don't worry, we'll got polymorphism to manage their theatrics. Welcome back to Rayyan, where coding meets comedy. In this video, we are diving into the Python inheritance and polymorphism because who said programming can't be funny? Who said? Buckle up and let's turn your code into blockbuster family drama with a twist of humor. Let's roll, or should I say, let's inherit some wisdom. So now, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So now guys, let's talk about inheriting properties from built-in classes in Python. So let's talk about it. In Python, you can inherit properties and methods from built-in classes such as list, dict, str or etc. This allows you to extend the functionality of these classes to suit specific needs. Now here is one example. This is one example of a custom list class inheriting from a list. Okay. So let's run this list. So let's copy it and let's come on my window, and then I'm making one file by the name of index.py, and to make this file you can write .py extension because this is one extension to create a Python file, and I'm making my file in my documents. Now first of all, here we create a one class by the name of custom list. Here we create a one custom list which is inheriting from the built-in list class. Then here I'm appends an item. Here I'm appending an item only if it's not already in the list. Now in the 11th and 12th line, there is the one usage, means first of all you create the one my list variable. In it I write like custom list. In it I write like 1 2 3. Then here in the 15 and 16 line, here I'm using the inherited method append. Here I'm using the append method. It is used to combine the things, okay, or add the things. Now here I am using the custom method to append unique. In the 19 line, should not add a signs. 4 is already the list, and in the 20 line I am adds a 5 to a list. Okay, here I am adding a 5 to a list. Now let me save it and run it. So now output the output is giving me init list 1 2 3. After append 4 1 2 3 4. Then 4 is already in the list. Then after append unique 1 2 3 4 5. It is giving me like this. So there is one example it is giving me. This is one example of the custom list class inheriting from a list. Okay. Now let's come on our next example. Custom dictionary class inheriting from the dict. This one the example of the custom dictionary class which is inheriting from the dict, means from the dictionary. So first of all, here we create a one custom class which is inheriting from the built-in dict class. And then here I am returns the key value for the given key or default value if a key is not found. Now in the 8 and 9 line, here I am using the usage, and then the 12th line, here I am using the inherited method get. In the 15 line I am using the custom method get underscore or underscore default. Okay, here you can see it. Save it and run it. So the output will be giving original dictionary A1, B2 and value for A1. So it is giving like this. Here you can see it. Now example, custom string class inheriting from string. So this one custom string class which is inheriting from the string. So let's run this code. So copy it and then paste it. So first of all, in the here I am creating one custom class which is inheriting from the built-in str class, means string class. In the 4th line, it checks if the string is a palindrome. And then in the 8 and 9 line, here it is the usage of it, and in the 12th line is here it is using the inherited method upper. Here you can see dot upper method to do all the letters in the uppercase, and then here I am using the custom method is palindrome. So let's save it and run it. Save it and run it. So now upper is giving string radar, uppercase radar, in palindrome true. Here you can see it. So if you do not write this code, so let me tell you how to wrote it. So you only want to do it, so let me tell you what you can do it. First of all, you make a file, and I have already told you that how to create a file. And now to write this code, you only want to do it. First of all, if you want to write a comment, so you will be write it. I'm not writing a comments. First of all, you create a one class string, class custom string. In it you write str, And when you wrote this, so you only want to do it right this. Here I create a one custom class which is inheriting from the built-in str class. Okay, now def is then palindrome self. Now here when I write this, so now here I checks. Now here I am checks if the string is a palindrome. Now the output I'm thinking it give me, now I only want to do it, I'm writing here return self equals to self like ratio minus 1. Now here I define a usage of it like my string equals to custom string radar. And when I wrote this, so you only want to do it, you will be printed string then ratio then comma then my string. Perfect. Now when you do this, so now here you are using the inherited method upper. Okay, so let's use it. So let's do it in the uppercase letter, uppercase comma my string dot upper. Now here I am using the custom method is palindrome. Now here I print is palindrome. Then I am writing here my string and then dot is palindrome and like this. And now when I do this all the things, so now I am saving it from here and then run it. So now it give me string radar and in the uppercase. Why does give me in the uppercase? Why does give me radar? Because in the 11th line here I am using the inherited method to do this in the upper. Okay, yeah, you write it dot upper. So that's why it is coming in the upper. And why it is coming the is palindrome true? Is palindrome true is coming because I write my string dot is palindrome. Okay, so that's why the true is coming. So but here you can see it in today's video I told you about it. So now let me explain you inheriting built-in methods. The custom classes automatically inherit the methods and attributes of the parent built-in classes like a list or dict or a string. Number 2, extending functionality. You can add a new methods or overriding existing ones to extend or customize the behavior. Let me know if you would like more examples or details. So in today's video of the Python, I talked to you about in the Python what I had inheriting from the properties from built-in classes in Python. So if you enjoy this video, so please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss over this type of videos. So now please complete my 5,000 subscribers, so we are very near to it. So but anyways, now I meet you in next class, but now I give the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's come to the big screen and let's give the outro of this very beautiful video. So let's give the outro of this video. And that's a wrap on today blockbuster coding drama starting inheritance and polymorphism. I hope you enjoyed the twist and turn and laughed as much as I did. Now it's time to be the director, write your own script, give your classes their no roles, and let the polymorphism magic shine. If you found this video helpful or at least funny, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your fellow coders. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Until next time, happy coding and stay awesome.